You know, everybody keeps asking if AI is taking jobs. Wrong question. The real question is who's learning how to use it. You know, people keep acting like AI is going to take their job away. Like one day you're going to wake up, open your laptop, and a robot in the necktie has already taken your job, your sandwich, and probably your parking spot. That's not really what's happening. What's happening is this. AI has changed the kind of work people get paid for. The old way was do everything manually, take forever, get overwhelmed, drink too much coffee, and hope for the best. The new way is learn how to use AI to move faster, think more clearly, and produce more. That's why I keep saying AI jobs are just starting, because the new AI jobs don't always look big. Fancy tech careers, sometimes it's just regular work with AI added to it. For example, a content creator can use AI to outline scripts, turn one idea into 5, post, write better captions, and organize a full week of content. A small business can use AI to draft emails, write product descriptions, and answer customers' questions faster, and clean up their marketing. A freelancer can use AI to do research, build proposals, brainstorm hooks, and create faster first drafts. So the opportunity is not just in working for AI, the opportunity is to become the person who knows how to use it well. That's where people are going to separate themselves, because let's be honest, most people are still using AI like a toy. They're asking stuff like, give me 20 side hustles, give me $1 million business idea, write me something viral. And when it gives you them a rough answer, they do nothing with it. That's not a workflow. That's digital window shopping. The people who win with AI are going to be the people who say, how do I use this to save time? How do I use this to create something? How do I use this to help people sell something or solve a real problem? Because this is early, not ancient history. Early, not horse and buggy early, but early enough that most people still don't know how to use it. No, AI is not just for taking jobs, it's changing the rules. And the people who learn the new rules first, you will have the advantage. And while you're here, hit that heart, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. More real talk on AI, affiliate marketing, and building income online without all the guru smoke. I've also got tools and resources in my Linktree bio. And just to keep it transparent, some of those may be affiliate links, which mean I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Follow along, because this AI shift, it's just getting started. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.